Hi, Ramen and Sophie, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be reacting to NCT 127's Earthquake. Oh my god. Anyways, I love you, Johnny. Let's do this. Johnny's my bias, by the way. Anyways, in 3, 2, 1, play. Ooh, okay. Earthquake, come on. Ooh. Oh, yes. The beat. Yes. Yes. Oh. I hear Johnny. Yes, Johnny. Okay, Yoon and Jack talk. Oh, okay, Taeyong, come on. Oh. They are going hard, honey. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. Yes. They are oozing just sex appeal and everything. And oh my god, stop. Intense. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Come on, chorus. Oh, yes. Love the choreography. Hey. Wow. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, oh. Yes, choreography. Oh, okay, yes. Oh my god. Sexy. Just sexy, honey. This song, I cannot. Oh my god. All of them are extremely charming, honey. Wow. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. Hey, yes, Johnny, yes. Hey, hey, Johnny. Woo! Okay, Mark. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. The chorus, come on, honey. Yes, Yuta. Yes. Woo! Oh my, yes, love that part. Yes. Come on, choreography. Oh, Johnny. What? That's it? What? 2 minutes and 37 seconds? What is going on? That is such a tease. There's such a tease. I'm telling you, that is not enough for me. But okay, you know what? I can't complain. I'm just happy whenever just they churn out music or music videos, because you know I'm a huge Disney. I can't wait for them to release the single that all of them are gonna be together. Honestly, I'm a bit sad that Winwin and Winwin is never in 127 anymore. So that's just me. That's something personal. I've always thought like they should just put him in, and now he is in China doing his thing. And also Lucas. It was Lucas in 127? No, it's not. But anyways, it's just the whole NCT thing. It's just me. It's just me. I keep on thinking of the two of them. Anyways, love the song Earthquake, signature 127, of course. I mean, the moment the beat drop, you know that it's an NCT 127 song. What can I say? They're just fucking awesome. I freaking love that. Especially, of course, Johnny. But, you know, yes, the Earthquake. It is very... Oh, you know what? During the verses, like verse 1 and verse 2, they are just calmly singing it. They're just not even exerting anything, and it's so freaking sexy. Oh my god, like they're just singing it and just like giving you eye contact and just looking through the like camera lens and just like giving you eyes. I cannot. And then of course chorus, bam bam bam, you know, choreography. Yes. And to my end of the video, I want to say that I love you, Johnny. You will never see this, but I don't care, I'm just gonna say it. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell to watch more. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.